Hello, this is the flood of 2013. This is how bad it is. With Claire and James and myself right here. This is really bad. I can't believe how bad it is. The water is coming out of the wall. It's seeping out of the walls. Look how deep that is. Really, really dangerous. I don't know how long this is going to hold, but it'll burst in a few minutes. It's just, look how, like it's just inches from the wall. Look at that. How would you feel about that? Yeah, I know. James? Thank you for your comments.